Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest fitness tips and workouts. Today, we're diving into a topic that many women are passionate about: achieving slimmer, well-toned, and longer-looking legs. Whether you're aiming for a leggy look for confidence, aesthetics, or social reasons, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Why do women aim for slimmer, well-toned, and longer-looking legs? First off, let's talk about why so many women aim for this look. Sure, health and fitness are important, but there's more to it. For many, having slim, toned legs is about confidence and feeling great in their own skin. It's also about the clothes we wear. A pair of well-toned legs can make dresses, shorts, and even jeans look and feel better. And let's not forget social acceptance and reputation. In a world where social media plays a huge role, looking our best often means feeling our best. So, what are some ways to achieve those gorgeous, leggy legs? We've got a mix of exercises, lifestyle tips, and nutritional advice to help you out. Exercises for slimmer, well-toned legs. 1. Cardio workouts. Let's start with cardio workouts. Cardio is fantastic for burning calories and shedding fat, which is key to slimming down your legs. Running, cycling, and swimming are great options. Aim for at least 30 minutes of cardio 3-4 times a week. You'll not only slim down your legs, but also improve your overall cardiovascular health. If you're short on time, try high-intensity interval training, HIIT. It's a fantastic way to burn fat quickly. Here's a quick example. Sprint for 30 seconds, then walk or jog for 1 minute. Repeat this cycle for about 15-20 minutes. 2. Strength training. For strength training, building muscle is crucial for that toned look. Squats, lunges, and leg presses are your best friends. Let's break down a few exercises. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair, keeping your back straight. Push through your heels to stand back up. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Push back to the starting position. Alternate legs and aim for 3 sets of 12 reps on each side. Leg press. At the gym, use the leg press machine. Push the platform away with your feet shoulder-width apart, then slowly return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. 3. Targeted leg exercises. To really sculpt your legs, add some targeted exercises. Calf raises. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your heels off the ground, then slowly lower them back down. Aim for 3 sets of 20 reps. Inner thigh lifts. Lie on your side with your bottom leg bent at the knee and your top leg extended. Lift your top leg up sideways towards the ceiling and lower it back down. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps on each side. Lifestyle tips for longer-looking legs. 1. Posture. Believe it or not, posture can make a huge difference in how your legs look. Standing tall with your shoulders back can make your legs appear longer and leaner. Practice good posture throughout the day, whether you're sitting or standing. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and weight evenly distributed on both feet. You'll look and feel more confident instantly. Oh, high heels. Wearing high heels can also give the illusion of longer legs. Just be careful not to wear them too often, as they can cause discomfort and potential foot issues. Save them for special occasions when you really want to make an impact. Nutritional advice for slimmer legs. Your diet plays a crucial role in achieving slimmer, toned legs. Here are some tips. 1. Hydration. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and reduce water retention, which can make your legs look bloated. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Balanced diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar. Foods like chicken, fish, nuts, and leafy greens provide essential nutrients for muscle growth and fat loss. The importance of achieving slimmer, well-toned legs. Now let's talk about why achieving these leg goals is important beyond just fitness and health. For many women, having slimmer, toned legs boosts self-esteem and confidence. It can also positively impact your social life and professional image. When you feel good about your appearance, it shows in the way you carry yourself. Whether it's at work, social events, or even just posting a photo on social media, looking your best can enhance your reputation and how others perceive you. Benefits beyond physical fitness. Beyond the physical benefits, working towards slimmer, well-toned legs can also bring emotional and psychological benefits. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, making you feel happier and more energetic. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you get from reaching your fitness goals can boost your confidence and motivate you to achieve more in other areas of your life. Conclusion. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide to achieving slimmer, well-toned, longer-looking legs. Remember, it's not just about fitness. It's about feeling confident, happy, and proud of your body. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. You can also click the link in the description below for more help specific to the video topic. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. I love hearing from you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fit and fabulous.